Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best smart battery isolator is probably one of the most important components for anyone running a dual battery system in their vehicle, boat, or RV, ensuring that your house batteries are charged while protecting your starting battery, and this video will help you choose the best one for your needs by reviewing its key features, performance, and overall value, making your decision easier and more informed. Number 5. KeyLine Charger's Dual Battery Isolator. This kit provides efficient power distribution between two batteries, eliminating voltage drops and power loss. It's compact and perfect for various installations. It automatically connects and disconnects at optimal voltages, ensuring your starting battery stays charged. This protects against battery drain, no matter your vehicle. It's IP65 rated, meaning it's water, dust, and vibration resistant. It's tough enough for any adventure, on or off-road. It includes a mounting plate and hardware, and the instructions are easy to follow. Even beginners can install it. It comes with a 12-month warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Drive with confidence knowing you have reliable power. What we like. It boasts a small size, perfect for tight spaces. Installation is a breeze, even for beginners. Plus, its rugged build ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal if you need a reliable solution for your vehicle or boat. If you value ease of use and durability, this is the one for you. Number 4. WirthCo Battery Isolator. This is the WirthCo 1213.1241, a reliable battery isolator designed for various applications. It's built to handle demanding conditions and keep your batteries charged. It boasts an IP62 water-resistant rating, making it perfect for marine environments. It can withstand splashes and moisture, ensuring reliable performance. This smart isolator prioritizes charging your starting battery, ensuring you always have the power to start your engine. It's not recommended for lithium batteries. It automatically charges your auxiliary battery, keeping it topped up and ready to power your accessories. This ensures consistent power for all your devices. It features a manual override for the starting battery and includes overcurrent and surge protection for vehicles with electronic systems. This ensures safe and reliable operation. The WirthCo 1213.1241 offers a robust solution for managing multiple batteries. It's a reliable and efficient choice for various vehicles and applications. What we like. This isolator is built to withstand the elements. It prioritizes keeping your starting battery charged, a must for reliable starts. The manual override gives you extra control. If you need a marine-ready isolator with extra control, this is perfect for you. What people say. This is a smart battery isolator, charger, and jump starter all rolled into one palm-sized device. When installed correctly, you can run power into your secondary battery without affecting the main starting battery. It only charges once the main is fully charged, just like it should. The override also works well and is easy to use, so the secondary can charge the primary like a jump starter if needed. Installation instructions were dead easy. Item worked first go and hasn't missed a beat. Number 3. MaySpare Dual Battery Isolator. This kit provides a complete solution for managing two batteries in your vehicle. It ensures your main battery is always ready to start your engine while powering accessories from a separate battery. With a 140 amp capacity, it's powerful enough for most vehicles and accessories. It handles high current demands with ease. It intelligently switches between batteries. It cuts in at 13.3 volts and cuts out at 12.8 volts, protecting your primary battery. Everything you need for installation is included in one convenient kit. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. It's compact and perfect for various vehicles, from ATVs and boats to RVs and trucks. It fits almost anywhere. Keep your vehicle ready to start, even after using accessories. It ensures your main battery remains charged. What we like. It comes with everything you need for a quick and easy installation. The 140 amp capacity handles most applications. It's a great all-in-one solution. If you want a hassle-free installation and a powerful isolator, this is the best choice. What people say. All the hardware and wire necessary to install the dual power isolator. Good instructions. Easy to wire, clear instructions. Just what I needed for keeping the 2 house batteries in my van charged. Cable was long enough to get from my starter battery to my house batteries at the back of my extended full-size van. Smart Isolator has performed flawlessly, even when I depleted my house batteries twice, and done numerous rough gravel roads. Number 2. Hart Horse 3M Split Charge Relay Kit. This kit provides a smart solution for managing 2 battery systems in your vehicle. It ensures your main battery is always charged while powering your accessories from a separate battery. It automatically switches between batteries at the optimal voltage levels. This protects your main battery and keeps it ready to start your vehicle. It's designed to work with a wide range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to boats and RVs. Enjoy the versatility of 2 power sources in one system. The kit includes all the necessary accessories and cables for a straightforward installation. You can easily set it up yourself, saving time and money. It prevents over-discharge of your main battery and ensures the second battery is fully charged. It's built to withstand harsh conditions with its durable construction. This reliable kit offers efficient performance for your vehicle or boat. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you've made a smart investment. What we like. This isolator features a convenient LED screen for monitoring. You get the flexibility of both automatic and manual modes. It also includes all the necessary installation components. If you prefer visual monitoring and flexible control, this is the one for you. What people say. After installation, the wattage to my second battery increased significantly, faster charge. Plus, a second auxiliary battery also charges efficiently at up to 128 watts. The package is admirably kitted with extra terminals, connectors, either isolating or through. Heavy-duty terminals were supplied in the kit. It is simple to install and works great. Number 1. 250 amp Dual Battery Isolator Kit. This dual battery isolator ensures your main battery is always charged and ready to start your vehicle. It's like having 2 separate power sources, but only using one alternator. After connection, it displays the voltage. It's designed to disconnect immediately if the voltage drops below 12.5 V for safety. There's a 5-second delay for automatic connection or disconnection. It includes a lithium battery connection cable, so it's compatible with vehicles using lithium batteries, maintaining stable performance. With a 250 amp current and 1224 V universal voltage, it features real-time voltage monitoring. Never worry about a dead battery again, just use the emergency button to quickly start with the auxiliary battery. Its compact design makes it compatible with various vehicles, from trucks and ATVs to boats and RVs. It's perfect for a variety of uses. What we like. It offers a high 250 amp capacity for demanding applications. It's compatible with lithium batteries, expanding its versatility. The voltage display provides real-time monitoring. If you need high capacity, lithium compatibility, and real-time monitoring, this is your best bet. What people say. Once I found a spot to attach the device, it was very easy to wire up. Attaching it to chassis was the hard part. Apparently you do not need the red wire connected unless using a lithium battery. The instructions say that the yellow and black wire go to a switch to manually connect the batteries. I found that the black wire is just ground, so I only needed to run one wire to the switch with the other end locally grounded. I used the same ground to install an indicator from the blue wire. Now I can see that the batteries are connected with the indicator. It seems that the solar charger for the house battery may also activate it as well, so the chassis gets charged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.